Hi, welcome to Christ TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful platform you can go to make good income for yourself online. As always said, it requires consistency and dedication. Now go to your browser and search for a platform named Livejpt. Livejpt. What is livejpt.com? Livejpt.com. This is a platform that enables you to earn money by doing tasks such as watching videos, completing surveys, clicking ads, and many more. The funnest part about this platform is that it has the lowest minimum withdrawal among all sites. So if you read the threshold of 0.50 cents, you can cash out from the site. So click on the top right hand corner. If you are new to this platform, click on register. Then input your username, your email address, password, confirm password. Then you choose on whatever they told you to choose. You like it. They say we should click on envelope. You click on envelope. Then you agree to their terms and condition. Since I've already registered before on this platform, I won't be doing that. But let me first of all show you the home for you to see how the main platform. You can say welcome to Livejpt. The future is here, and you see our 3,166 reviews on Trustpilot. What can you expect of Livejpt? Yearners benefits. More than 8 yearning ways. Only 0.5 cent minimum withdrawal. Withdraw in dollar or BTC or limited direct referrals. Cheap and profitable upgrade plans. Daily bonus. Passive income. So you can see advertise benefits, geographic filter, anti-cheat system, allowing reuse click, detail statistics, purchase clicks or time exposure, start and pause your campaign at any time, good and lesser rank, cheapest advertising system. Wow. You can see total member, they have 461,000 members, 305 total members. Then they have paid over $16,276. Members currently available online. Revenue sharing. This is a top platform. I quickly want you to quickly leverage the merit now before the competition on this site becomes high. So now I'll be logging in to my platform, to my own account for you to see. Let's click on this. So we should touch light bulb for you to see how the platform looks like. How the dashboard of the platform looks like. So it is loading. You can see faucet bonus for each claim. Earn a bonus of 100% event available. So let's just cancel this now and focus. You can see I've already earned 0.00390 cents on this platform, just doing what? Simple pay to click ad. And also, if you also refer people, they're going to pay you 0.0075 for each active referral. So now we'll be going to the present work available. All this at the end, they have already paid. I watch YouTube video, they pay me 0.0075 cents. So I'll just click on the menu bar and earn money. Click on the earn money category. Then you click on pay to click for you to view the present tasks available. Currently we have up to 14 tasks still available that we need to work on. This is all the advertising task available. So I'll be clicking on this. Once I click on this, they are going to pay me 0.2075 cents. 0.2075 cents. So then we click on start now. Start. Then wait for up to 50 seconds. So we can be assured of the payment. You just see, you need to just exercise patience for up to 50 seconds so everything can load. So now let's go back. For us to see, you can see they say click or touch the flag. Let's touch the flag and send. Let's see if they have paid us our money for clicking the ad. They say you have been credited 0.00075 cents and 0. What for just clicking an ad. That's just it. That's what it does. Now let's go back to the platform for us to see if the what money earned on the platform has already increased. The money has been added to the money we currently have on the platform. Let's go back to the platform. It is loading. Okay, now we are now back on the platform. Let's see if they have had the money to our dashboard. Let's reload it. Funniest part, for every 90 hours, plus they are going to load the advertisement again for us. You can see it has been added up to what 0.00465 cents. 0.00465 cents. That's just it. That's just how it works here on this platform. Very easy as that. Very easy as that. So kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop or some video just like this. Thanks.